Hello people! Great to have you all here with us. Welcome to a session with Codeout 100. Let's begin.
Imagine you have a long row of garden plots, some of which already have flowers planted in them while others are empty. Each plot is represented in a list where a 1 indicates a plot with a flower and a 0 indicates an empty plot. Your goal is to determine if you can plant a specific number of new flowers n in the empty plots, following the rule that no two flowers can be adjacent to each other. This means that if you plant a flower in a plot, the plots immediately to its left and right must remain empty. By carefully checking each plot, you need to find spaces where planting a flower will not violate this no adjacent flowers rule. If you can successfully plant all n flowers without breaking the rule, you return true, otherwise, you return false. This scenario ensures that you maintain enough space between the new flowers and the existing ones to comply with the garden's planting regulations.
In the first example, your goal is to see if you can add just one more flower without breaking the rule that no two flowers can be next to each other. With the arrangement 1, 0, 0, 1, you can indeed plant a flower in the middle spot, so the answer is true. However, in the second example, you want to add 2 flowers to the same arrangement. Since there isn't enough space between the flowers to place 2 more without having them adjacent to each other, it's impossible to meet this requirement. Thus, the answer is false. In the CanPlaceFlowers method, we initialize a counter count to track how many flowers we can plant and determine the length of the flower bed list. We iterate through the flower bed using a for loop. For each empty plot flower bed I double equal to 0, we check if the adjacent plots are also empty. Previous empty ensures the left plot is either non-existent or empty, and next empty checks the right plot similarly. If both conditions are met, we plant a flower there by setting flower bed I double equal to 1 increment count and check if count meets or exceeds n. If so, we return true. If the loop ends and count hasn't reached n, we return false. This approach ensures flowers are planted without violating the no adjacent rule while trying to maximize the number of flowers.
Great. We have cleared all the test cases. You can observe the output and expected output.
I hope you learned everything that is taught today. Let's meet again in the next video. Until then, if you find this video helpful, leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel Codeout 100.